Alright, so here we go. This is the tree we're doing today, right here. Got some power lines coming right off the house. What we're going to do is climb up here to about, kind of hard to see, about there I think. We're going to top that out and then we're going to chunk it down. That's what we're climbing today. So I figured before we get started, we just kind of maybe go over some of the gear that we use for some of you who are not familiar with tree work and stuff like that. So here we go. Right, so first we're going to start off, we got some spikes. These are what strap to your leg and allow you to climb the tree. They've got little spikes on them. Primarily you really only use this when you're going to take a tree down. You don't use it to prune a tree because it's really not healthy to put holes in it. Then we've got the harness. That's what goes around my waist. Then we come over, we've got the lanyard. That's what wraps around the tree and allows me to lean back and be held in position. The next thing we've got is a safety line. This is what I use in case for whatever reason the lanyard breaks or I cut it by accident. This allows me to stay in the tree and also descend from the tree. The other thing we got is an ART rope guide. Basically what this does is allow me to choke off on the stem. So I can use it going up and coming down, and basically you just kind of pull on it like this to loosen it up. You bring it down. Oop, kind of hard to do this with one hand. And you tighten it back up. And that's what keeps you there. The next thing we got is a top handle chainsaw. And then this is a lanyard to keep it attached to me so it doesn't drop. Basically it's nice, lightweight, for pruning smaller limbs and stuff like that. You're able to use it with one hand and hold it from the top to keep balance, so you're not trying to hold a big saw up there. Sometimes you have to bring a big saw in bigger trees, but for the most part this can top out what I need to top out. And we just got some regular climbing line. This is kind of multi-purpose. You can use it for climbing, rigging, to a certain extent. And that's it. Oh, and one more thing I forgot. A helmet. You gotta wear a helmet. Protects you from any falling branches, obviously. You know what it's for. So this is my wife. She's come to help me today. She's gonna pull on a rope. All right, go ahead, give her a little tug. All right, well, we know you got good position on it, so that's good. Love you. Thanks. There we go. This is my pull line for, hold on. This is my pull line for when we get down there. Here's my safety line. And once we get down a little bit, I can take off the lanyard. All right, now we're on the safety. Take off the lanyard. See that? Get all tied up in this. What?
That last piece.
It was embarrassing.